ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is a great mid-range motherboard for 3rd gen Ryzen processors, offering solid performance and future-proofing with PCI 4.0 support. It includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and Intel 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, ensuring fast connectivity for gamers. The 12+2 power stages allow for smooth overclocking, and the audio quality, powered by the Supreme FXS 1220A codec, enhances gaming immersion. While it lacks additional M.2 slots and some higher-end features like USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, its sleek design, RGB lighting, and robust build quality make it an excellent choice for gamers seeking performance and value. PCI 4.0 support, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, strong power delivery for overclocking, high-quality audio and networking, limited M.2 slots, no USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 port. Overall, it's a solid option for gaming and future-proofing on a budget.